Woo! Welcome back. Hey, this week is all about skulls. I'm going to show you how to make a movable jaw thanks to anatomy. I don't know. I made the template from a real life skull. This is not real life. Don't worry, it's plastic. Here you go, take a look. But I'm going to show you how I made this movable jaw, wearable skull, downloadable template, all for less than $10. So check it out. All right, you ready? Here we go. Here's the skull that I made the template from. Pretty awesome. Your typical skull. Covered it in aluminum foil and then duct taped everything. Traced it to cardstock. Traced the cardstock to paper. Then I found a video by Bill and Ted showing me how to make a digital template. Appreciate you guys. Bill from Punish Props and Ted from Evil Ted. So I got these in the link below for you guys to download and have fun. Here's my skull that I made. A little adjustable jaw. There you go. Back and forth. All of the connecting foam pieces, 4mm foam, connect at these fissures where the bone has come together. Now, I did a little dremeling to showcase these off. As you can see, you got the lines right here in the skull as well. So to make it realistic as possible, that's what I did. And for the jaw, let's take a look. Take a look from the inside. I put the buttons right here and I got some elastic cord and sewed some Velcro into it so that I can get that effect of the moving jaw. Now you're gonna have to measure this out. What I did was taped it together and then marked my pieces. As you can see. The buttons I used were, I picked these up from Walmart. Very easy to use, a little snap-on, snap-off button, and they have a nice twisting effect. Go in like that, and then with minimal friction, and then use your basic, typical 1/4 elastic cord, and made the jaw ligament. Here's the jaw. This is how I attach the pieces or hide them. At the end, I got the bolt, I hot glued it, and I sewed it in there a little bit. I was a little nervous about the hot glue coming off and how strong these buttons were to rip off the other one. And this is how it articulates. But then I also have the Velcro in here. So, to attach, just go in here, button it on both sides. Now, it's attached, but it's not bringing it back, so you need this elastic cord. Act as a ligament. And there you go. Simple. And then I added these pieces right here so that my jaw comes in contact, and whenever I speak, it opens my jaw. So this is still a work in progress. Hope that helps. And happy building. All foam. Alright, this is how I put my skull mask on. So I got these little buttons on the side like I showed you earlier. Attach them to the inside. And then the forward part of the jaw is attached with elastic bands. So I just slide the jaw forward. And that's it. And that's it, folks. All righty then. Now, this is still a work in progress. I'm still adjusting the jaw and the color scheme. But as you can see, I just wanted to put this out so everyone can enjoy this build that I did this week. and build one for yourself. So hope you like it. If you didn't, I'm sorry. Leave comments, show me how to do better, or some constructive criticism, and that would be greatly appreciated so I can make a better video for you next time. But if you enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe, text, call, send me an email if you want. But I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye. I'm just playing. Don't text or call me.